Good day, class. This is Professor Diener, and welcome to TVRA 239 Broadcast Management. I'm so happy to have you guys. Some of you I've had before in class. I welcome you back, and some of you I've not yet met, and I look forward to meeting you. So on the Blackboard site, it might be confusing to some of you. It's called a 50-50 blended class. So we do not meet on Mondays. We only meet on Thursdays for 7 weeks. But the time on Monday, I want you to use to be writing your papers, maybe taking your quizzes, and preparing for the next classes, which will be reading online. It's a Z class, so there's no book required. But I do want you to keep up with your work because it's a quick class. There are a lot of assignments, but it's a lot of fun. So I think you'll really enjoy it. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. And I just want to let you know that we've had a COVID exposure, so we will be meeting online via Zoom the first class. So this Thursday we will be on Zoom, but after that we will be meeting in person in TC 136. So just the first class will be on Zoom. I'm going to set up the Zoom links for every class, but I don't think we'll need it. I think just the first class will meet on Zoom. Every other recurring class we will be in person. So anyway, thank you so much for joining the class. I look forward to meeting and seeing everyone on Thursday. Thank you.